Need a smarter way to move your containers? Meet NiryatSetu, your trusted partner for seamless container transportation. From booking your fleet to live tracking your entire shipment journey, we make logistics efficient, secure, and effortless. Instantly access the best freight rates, track your shipment in real time from origin to destination. Invoices, packing lists, shipping instructions, all seamlessly linked, all instantly accessible. And now experience complete visibility every step of the way. Booking placed, picked empty container, reached exporter warehouse, shipping bill filed, ready to dispatch, delivery to consignee, and finally delivered. Leave customs clearance to us. Swift, compliant, secure. Ship confidently to over 180 countries with our trusted global network. Join thousands who trust NiryatSetu, handling over 100,000 TEUs annually with transparent pricing and certified reliability by IATA, WCA, and ISO. Importing? Save up to 55% by converting CIF to FOB. Get real-time visibility from port arrival right to your factory door. Smooth customs, no hassles. Fast, compliant, door-to-door service from port to warehouse to your facility. Smarter imports, lower costs, and total reliability. NiryatSetu streamlines your supply chain, saving you time, cost, and effort. Whether you're an exporter or an importer, gain clarity, efficiency, and full control. Logistics simplified. Ready to ship smarter? Contact us to start your journey with NiryatSetu